Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an LLC in Georgia, guiding you through each necessary step. First, you need to understand that an LLC provides a powerful legal shield for your personal assets, separating them from your business liabilities. This structure is often preferred by small and medium-sized businesses for its flexibility and protection. We will cover everything from naming your entity to ongoing compliance requirements, ensuring you have a solid foundation for your new venture. Selecting the right name for your Georgia LLC is a crucial first step, requiring careful consideration to ensure it is distinct and available. You should always perform a thorough name search on the Georgia Secretary of State's website to prevent any conflicts. Additionally, you must designate a registered agent, which can be an individual or a company, who will accept legal and tax documents on behalf of your business, ensuring important communications are always received. After selecting your name and registered agent, the next critical step is filing your articles of organization with the Georgia Secretary of State. This official document formally establishes your limited liability company, making it a legal entity. The standard filing fee is usually around $100, and processing generally takes between 10 and 15 business days. Expedited processing options are also available for an additional charge if you need your LLC formed more quickly. Once your LLC is officially formed, creating a comprehensive operating agreement is paramount, even though Georgia does not legally mandate it. This internal document outlines crucial details like member roles, profit distribution, and decision-making processes, serving as your company's blueprint. Subsequently, you will need to acquire an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This 9-digit number is vital for tax filings, hiring employees, and opening a dedicated business bank account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.